Welcome to this tutorial on browser developer tools. In this video series, we'll be exploring the console, debugger, and sources panel. These tools are essential for any web developer, allowing you to debug, test, and optimize your code. The console panel is used for executing JavaScript code and inspecting the current state of your web page. It's a powerful tool that allows you to debug, test, and optimize your code. The console panel has several features, including the ability to execute JavaScript code, inspect variables, and view error messages. The debugger panel is used for setting breakpoints, stepping through code, and inspecting variables. It's a powerful tool that allows you to debug your code. The debugger panel has several features, including the ability to set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables. The sources panel is used for viewing and editing source code. It's a powerful tool that allows you to debug, test, and optimize your code. The sources panel has several features, including the ability to view and edit source code. When debugging, it's essential to avoid common mistakes such as not using the correct tools or overlooking critical error messages. To debug efficiently, follow best practices such as using the correct tools, setting breakpoints strategically, and inspecting variables regularly. In this video, we covered the essential features and tools of the console, debugger, and sources panel. Remember to use these tools efficiently for better debugging. For further learning, explore additional resources and practice using the console, debugger, and sources panel.